Shakey's V-League at nahanap na po natin in this immense crowd ang ating Shakey's face of the day. Yan po si Maggie Mendez, 15 years old from Pasig City. If the logo for jacket is familiar, player din po yan ng Poveda High School. Here to support their yung kanilang kakampi na si Maggie De Leon, or make that ito Maggie tuloy. Etong si Bea De Leon, who is was yet to see action here para sa koponan ng Ateneo. But I believe the whole Poveda High School team
is right here. Right? Yes.
And De Jesus hits it to the net. So balik na naman sa tatlo ang abante rito ng Adamson. The captain, Marlene Cortel, to put it in play. One of the two lefties on the floor now para sa kupunan ng Adamson. Lazaro, Morado, Morente. And that one goes in. At lead is up to 4 once again. Ay baba na ni Eliza kanina yan to 1. And Cortel with the serve. Lazaro. Combination now. Ella. And Ella finds the line.
Score is now 15-18.
It's not every day that the smallest player on the floor for your team is your open spiker.
Yes. Normally, napupunta sa setter.
Setter or libero man lang eh.
Oo.
Sato with the serve. Makatuno now. Paat scratches the ball. Here's Ella. Once again, one-on-one sila ni Pat. They go to the other side. Morente, great defense by Pineda. Here's De Jesus. Pineda this time digs it up. Pineda on offense. Pineda has done everything.
Kulang na lang, iset na sa sarili niya.
Oo, kulang na lang magluto. Substitution, Kate Libon-Facil will return to serve for Mylene Pat, who has done very well here in the second set.
So little rest now for Paat, and Libon-Facil also added in for extra floor defense.
Extra floor defense and a very good server. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Lazaro, Morado, Ella. Ella is malakas na naman yung kanyang tira. No check. Eliza's asking for a check ball. So back to another 5-point lead, matching the biggest lead of this set. Coming from Adamson. Keith Libon-Facil once again. Lazaro. Morado, iniwan para kay Ahumiro. Alam mo, that has been almost 100%. Yung quick set na yan to Amy Ahumiro. Take a look at it again. Hirap basahin. Teka mo, mas lalo nag-iisa na lang si Pao Soriano doon sa harapan. Now Michelle Morente, also making her first Shakey's V-League appearance. With
Short
Ateneo.
Serve.
Yeah.
Pineda with a hit. Oh, it is a kill.
Si Eliza is now holding on to her left ankle. It looks like, I want to see that again dun sa side ng Ateneo. Kasi mukhang si Eliza got wrong foot and tried to push off with her left ankle. And now is favoring her left ankle. Looks like she might have to be subbed out of the game. Tignan natin dito. Eliza's not even moving right now. Eliza, all of a sudden, moves.
But obviously, she's having difficulty moving around there.
Pwesto niya iniwan niya doon sa likod sa area ng zone 5. Pineda targeting Valdez. Yan ang no mercy.
Well, I think it is actually a position ng Ella De Jesus. Medyo na-forward lang siya ng konti.
Oh, pero suporta dapat si Eliza. Na hindi rin napunta ni Eliza.
Well, usually si Eliza naman tinatago nila for the receive.
Eliza tries one from the back row. And a great block there coming from Morado. They go to Pachari. Dug up by Eliza. Ella, off the block. Libon-Facil, Makatuno, leaves it for Soriano.
Is blocked by Ahumiro.
So Ahumiro keeps the set alive for Ateneo. De Jesus, short serve. Makatuno, Sangmuang, nice attack there from Pachari. Kasi sabi ni Sangmuang, you're too far away, Ahumiro. Layo, layo.
Tinuturuan niya pa, no?
Layo, layo. 7 set points for Adamson. Makatuno, that's a spinning serve there. Eliza in the front now. Eliza drops it in.
That was a very high drop ball. You know, but still the Lady Falcons not able to save it.
And gusto na maligurado ni Sherwin Meneses. Tatawag na siya ng timeout.
Five. Takbo ka dito, five. Tumba. Ha? Maganda, ibigay mo na. Palo yung dagat yung bola, erehan mo muna yung bola. Eh, pinapalo mo agad eh. Ha? Okay. Pag walang receive, kanto-kanto lang tayo. No receive is no.
Well, meron ka pang time to experiment here. We have 6 set points and look at this massive crowd. Tama binanggit mo, Ivy, no? Napansin ko sa taas.
Wala ka na rin
Puno na rin.
makikita bakating upuan even at the bleachers.
Alam mo saan daw pumarada?
Sa
Doon
labas.
na, sa kabilang bayan na
Exactly,
yata yun
kami rin yata eh.
Oo. So here is 6 set points for Adamson. Ahomiro tries to keep the set alive for Ateneo. Good serve. Second ball is a problem. Free ball now from Adamson. Ito ngayon si Morado. Combination. Eliza Valdez!
Oh, that
Wala.
goes outside.
So puntos yun para din sa Adamson and we are tied on 1 set apiece. After the hitting error galing dito kay Bagyong Balto. 25-18 ang naging score nitong ating second set. Adamson ties things up. Tingnan natin yung ating shaky play dito. Pachari Sangmang too far away. Too far away from the net. Layo.